At the Rocky Mountain Hobby Expo, you can put down your phone and discover a hobby. It's the ultimate hobby experience. And I have director of the Expo, Jim Marski, and along with expert hobbyist and owner of Colpar's Hobbytown is Fred Beardsley. So great to see you, gentlemen. Oh my gosh, we've got so much going on here. We're going to play a little bit, but I want to know about this expo and what does pick up a hobby mean?
What we're trying to do is actually give people an opportunity to get off their screens and do something with their hands. The stuff we do at the expo is all hands-on hobbies, everything from model railroading to radio control vehicles, airplanes, boats, drones, model kits, games, anything you can do to enjoy yourself.
Yeah, and really you can put down that phone and pick up something else to stimulate your brain in a different way, right?
Right.
All right, Fred, you're the owner of Colpar's Hobbytown.
Yes.
We've been there and I love it. You're so passionate about hobbies. Why?
Well, you know, I started out when I was a kid. My dad and I built models together, and it just kind of stuck with me. And I was, you know, there's just so many things in the hobbies, and I was able to just turn it into to my work, which was a fantastic thing. But what I'm passionate about really right now is getting kids and younger generation more involved in the hobby, because once you get that, it becomes a lifetime
It does.
thing that you do, and it's very rewarding, and get kids off of screens and do something three-dimensional.
Absolutely. Whether it's playing a game of chess or flying something in the air like a drone.
Right.
Let's bring in the drone.
And this is my drone expert, Hector.
Hector, hi. You've got a drone you're going to fly for us. I would say go for it because we can't wait to see this in action. Drones are really popular right now, aren't they?
Yes, they are. And
Yeah.
what's really popular is the FPV drones, which you can see Hector is
FPV meaning?
first-person view, so it's like you're in the
Oh.
drone.
Oh, like you're in the drone. Okay, so it'll have a camera on it. You can
Right.
see that. All right. All right, so Jim, you mentioned there's some STEM activities at the expo, right? So
Yes.
what does that mean?
What we think is that the skills kids learn in STEM are essentially the same skills that hobbyists have. So we think the kids doing STEM are the future of the hobby.
Okay.
So we've brought in skills that actually things they can do that they're familiar with, and then we actually show them the hobbies that they can get into from there.
Okay, when we say STEM, we mean science, technology, engineering, and math. And
right.
you're right, it does. It transcends into hobbies, of course. All right, gaming is huge, and board games are also classics, of course. There will be something for everybody at the show.
Yes.
Okay, so we love that. All right, Karen, how about you come back into the show? Because I want to race you in this game right here. Oh, this is fun. All right, so this is another one. This is something my kids used to love when they were little. So we've got some cars here, a racetrack.
Okay, what do I
Oh,
do?
this is me. I'm red.
Where's mine?
Pull the trigger.
I did.
Uh-huh.
Okay, where's
Look
my
at,
car?
I'm winning. I'm
Where's
winning.
my car? Is he stalled? He's stalled. Okay, there we go. All right, bang.
All right, we're
Oh, look at us
racing.
go. This is
All right,
so cool.
guys, what's this? Can it be expanded? Is it something that you can customize?
Yes, you can customize, you can expand it, make it as large as your living room if you want to.
Make it as large as your living room. Did you hear that? Let's just get it out here in the studio. All right, this is
I feel
fun.
like we're going around in circles. Oh,
Well, we
there,
are.
I caught you. Oh, crap.
Nice job. Nice job. All right, how do we find out more about the Hobby Expo?
We are online at hobby-expo.com. You can buy tickets there, or you can buy tickets at most of the local hobby stores. Lots of info on our website and on our Facebook page, and you can come and see us October 12th and 13th at the Denver Mart.
Okay, excellent. I want to get that drone back in here. Hector, I mean, you're a professional. Let's get this drone flying. I'm glad they didn't task me with flying the drone because who knows where it would have ended up. What do we need to know about flying a drone? Maybe for the first time, if we're interested, we can start small, like this one here.
Correct. You can start small, and really they're built in with so much stability into them anymore. Most of the small ones are very easy to fly and very easy to learn to fly. When you take it to the FPV, the camera system, it does take it to kind of another level. And then we also have people that race these, so they can go very high speed, very fast.
And you can
Okay.
come try one out at the Hobby Expo.
Yeah.
Oh, you can try
Yes.
one out in a safe environment.
Yes.
Just don't get it near anybody's hair. We were talking about different sizes. As you go up in size, there are a lot more capabilities with drones. Now the government's using them and different companies are using them.
Right.
Real estate is using them. Your hobby could really turn into something that is a vocation going forward, a career.
It certainly could, yes, definitely.
Yeah.
And we actually have a workshop at the show that explains what you can do as a career with them.
No kidding.
Yes.
I bet you the drone is probably one of the most popular displays at the Expo. But there are many things to see, so you don't want to miss out. Thank you, gentlemen. And Hector, thanks for your professional flying there. All right, the
Thank you,
ultimate
Jackie.
hobby experience is at the Hobby Expo at the Denver Mart. It's on October 12th and 13th. Adult tickets are $12 for both days, and kids 12 and under, plus active military and first responder families, they're free. For tickets and information, go to RockyMountainHobby-Expo.com/tickets.